How are you? I was remembering tonight for no good reason a dinner party once went to in New York City, and I was sitting beside Lou Reed, my hero Lou Reed. And he seemed kind of a grumpy sort of guy that night, didn't have much to say. And I think he thought that my wife was the maid because he kept telling her to go and get him things, which wasn't endearing. But his wife, Laurie Anderson, she was really charming. It was delightful. But Lou Reed could really write some songs, and there's no reason why I shouldn't butcher one. A friend of mine wrote to me this week and said, please don't sing anymore and don't play the ukulele. I said, Graham, I will make a fool of myself if I wish. She says, hey babe, take a walk on the wild side. I said, hey honey, take a walk on the wild side. Some of the words are troubling. Candy came out from the island. In the back room, she was everybody's darling. But she never lost her head, even when she was, okay. Said, hey babe, take a walk on the wild side. I said, hey honey, take a walk on the wild side. The colored girls go, hey, do, 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 That's enough making a fool of myself.